Like I always say, another beautiful day in La Jolla for a dive. The water was fairly calm and I decided to drop down near the swim buoy. When dropping down, you hit all of the kelp and seagrass. This area is very special though. Many types of animals use this as cover from their predators, and it is more likely to spot something in the kelp forest when diving. This dive was shallow for the most part and very enjoyable. After going through the kelp, I came across a magnificent sight. I had just discovered the giant sea bass. At first, it looked like a manatee from Florida, but that's way out of place for here. I took my time going around the giant creature, keeping in mind to stay back a safe distance. The sheer size of its mouth could have swallowed my arm whole. Never have I seen a bass this size out in the wild. I was very proud of my find. After some time, I left and kept swimming around, and I found another much smaller giant sea bass. These things look small from a distance in the camera, but up close, they are huge. They range from 4 to 7 feet in length from what I could judge that dive. The rest of the dive was pretty calm with not much else to find. This was quite the sight to see as well. How many lobster do you think are under that rock? Comment below. Nearing the end of my dive, I stumbled across a dive group meandering through the water. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video to help me out.